Hello friends. Welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे 3 months from June to August 2024 के important current affairs MCQ. Let's start the video. 1. Which city of India will host the 32nd International Conference of Agricultural Economists? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Surat. D. Gurugram. Answer B. New Delhi 2. The World Bank has approved a second round of amount in financing to help India accelerate the development of low-carbon energy in June 2024. A. $1.5 million. B. $1.5 billion. C. $1.5 trillion. D. $2.5 billion. Answer B. $1.5 billion. 3. In June 2024, which country through subsidiary Adani International Ports Holdings Pte Ltd with a concession agreement for 30 years? A. Tanzania. B. Bangladesh. C. Oman. D. Singapore. Answer A. Tanzania. 4. Indian Army has launched the eSehat module for veterans. What is the meaning of S in eSehat? A. Secure. B. Service. C. Scheme. D. Safety. Answer B. Service 5. Which bank has collected the maximum amount of 633.4 crore rupees from their customers? A. Union Bank of India. B. Canara Bank. C. Bank of Baroda. D. Punjab National Bank. Answer D. Punjab National Bank. 6. Which of the following has received the Global Water Tech Award 2024 in the Organization category for its initiatives in environmental conservation? A. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. B. Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation. C. Jaipur Metro Rail Corporation. D. Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation. Answer A. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. 7. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has raised the Ways and Means Advances (WMA) limit of financial accommodation for state governments and union territories (UTs) by 28% from 47,010 crore rupees to effect from 1st July 2024. A. 60,108 crore rupees. B. 60,218 crore rupees. C. 80,118 crore rupees. D. 60,118 crore rupees. Answer D. 60,118 crore rupees. 8. What is the total corpus of the rupee support in revised framework on currency swap arrangement for South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation (SAARC) countries from 2024 to 2027? A. 25,000 crore. B. 2,500 crore. C. 15,000 crore. D. 125,000 crore. Answer A. 25,000 crore. 9. According to government data released in June 2024, the Union government contained the fiscal deficit at of the gross domestic product (GDP) in 2023 to 24. A. 5.4%. B. 5.6%. C. 5.8%. D. 6.0%. Answer B. 5.6%. 10. Former Union Minister Santosh Kumar Gangwar was sworn in as the Governor of Jharkhand. A. 10th. B. 11th. C. 12th. D. 13th. Answer C. 12th. 11. Sanjay Shukla has been recently appointed Managing Director, MD, of which financial institution? A. SIDBI. B. SEBI. C. Exim Bank. D. NHB. Answer D. NHB. 12. In June 2024, RBI has imposed a penalty of 88.70 lakh rupees on which bank for non-compliance with certain regulatory norms including non-compliance with licensing conditions. A. South Indian Bank. B. Axis Bank. C. SBM Bank. D. HDFC Bank. Answer C. SBM Bank, State Bank of Mauritius. 13. Which institute has been awarded the Nelson Mandela Award for Health Promotion for 2024 by the World Health Organization, WHO? A. Central Institute of Psychiatry in Jharkhand. B. National Brain Research Center Research Institute in Gurgaon. C. AIIMS Delhi. D. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences in Bangalore. Answer. D. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences in Bangalore. 14. Which organization has signed a $60 million non-convertible debentures financing agreement, disbursing $30 million to Aadhar Housing Finance Limited, AHFL, to provide housing loans to women and address the shortage of financing in the low-income and affordable housing segment in India? A. International Monetary Fund. B. Asian Development Bank. C. New Development Bank. D. African Development Bank. Answer. B. Asian Development Bank. 15. Who has been appointed as the President of the European Council? A. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. B. Jose Socrates. C. Paulo Rangel. D. Antonio Costa. Answer. D. Antonio Costa. 16. Which Indian Navy ship has recently reached Pearl Harbor in Hawaii to take part in the 29th edition of the Rim of the Pacific (RIMPAC) exercise? A. In Satpura. B. In Sahyadri. C. In Suvarna. D. In Shivalik. D. In Shivalik. 17. World Milk Day is celebrated every year on which day? A. 1st June. B. 2nd June. C. 3rd June. D. 4th June. Answer. A. 1st June. 18. Which state of India has introduced artificial intelligence, AI, learning in the information and communication technology, ICT, textbook for class 7 students? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Odisha. D. Kerala. Answer. D. Kerala. 19. Who is the current chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? A. Ravi Agrawal. B. Pragya Sahai Saxena. C. P.K. Mishra. D. Praveen Kumar. Answer. A. Ravi Agrawal. 20. Who has won the 2024 Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix? A. Sebastian Vettel. B. Lewis Hamilton. C. Max Verstappen. D. Oscar Piastri. Answer. B. Lewis Hamilton. 21. The Basketball Federation of India, BFI, has set up the National Basketball Academy in collaboration with Corvus's American Academy in which city? A. New Delhi. B. Gandhinagar. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. Answer. C. Mumbai. 22. Swapnil Kusle clinched his first Olympic bronze in the Rifle 3 positions event in the Summer Olympics Games being held in Paris? A. 10m. B. 20m. C. 30m. D. 50m. Answer. D. 50m. 23. What is India's rank among 119 countries in the World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024 report? A. 15th. B. 19th. C. 29th. D. 39th. Answer. D. 39th. 24. And the Government of India recently signed a $200 million, about 1,700 crore rupees, loan to improve solid waste management and sanitation in 100 cities across 8 states in the country. A. World Bank. B. ADB. C. AIIB. D. IMF. Answer. B. ADB. 25. The Supreme Court has reconstituted its Gender Sensitization and Internal Complaints Committee. Who will chairman of this committee? A. Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde. B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. C. Justice B.V. Nagratna. D. Justice Hema Kohli. Answer. D. Justice Hema Kohli. 26. What is the name of India's first female permanent representative to the United Nations who retired recently? A. Nirupama Rao. B. Geeta Sabharwal. C. Smita Sarangi. D. Ruchira Kamboj. Answer D. Ruchira Kamboj. 27. Tanvi Sharma is associated with which of the following sport? A. Hockey. B. Tennis. C. Badminton. D. Football. Answer C. Badminton. 28. Which company has received the Sustainable Governance Champion Award at the Outlook Planet Sustainability Summit and Awards 2024? A. Mazago Dock Shipbuilders. B. Hindustan Shipyard. C. ABG Shipyard. D. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. Answer D. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. 29. With which company has Adani Defence and Aerospace signed an agreement to manufacture 70mm rockets in India? A. Dassault Aviation. B. Naval Group. C. BAE Systems. D. Thales Group. Answer D. Thales Group. 30. Which country's Navy has signed a deal with the Indian Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE, for an 800-ton ocean-going tug? A. Tanzania. B. Bangladesh. C. Oman. D. Singapore. Answer B. Bangladesh. 31. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme in June 2024? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Punjab. Answer C. Rajasthan. 32. Which ministry has launched the Fauna of India checklist portal? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. Ministry of Environment and Forests. C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. D. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Answer B. Ministry of Environment and Forests. 33. Truecaller has partnered with which general insurance company to launch fraud insurance? A. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. B. Bharti AXA General Insurance. C. HDFC Ergo General Insurance. D. Royal Sundaram General Insurance. Answer C. HDFC Ergo General Insurance. 34. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has collaborated with which company to manufacture a 3D printed rocket engine? A. Wipro. B. HCL. C. TCS. D. Infosys. Answer A. Wipro. 35. Which company has signed an agreement with the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, GSV, for carrying out joint research related to 5G per 6G communications in the transportation and logistics sector? A. BSNL. B. Nokia. C. Samsung. D. Reliance. Answer B. Nokia. 36. The International Cricket Council has announced a record prize purse of for the 2024 T20 World Cup, with the winners pocketing at least A. $10.25 million, $1.45 million, B. $9.25 million, $4.45 million, C. $11.25 million, $2.45 million, D. $13.25 million, $3.45 million. Answer C. $11.25 million, $2.45 million. 37. Tata Power Solar Systems Ltd, TPSSL, has partnered with which bank to facilitate easy financing for rooftop solar installations and the establishment of electric vehicle (EV) charging stations? A. Punjab National Bank. B. Indian Bank. C. Bank of Baroda. D. Bank of India. Answer D. Bank of India. 38. Who has been conferred the V. Venkaiah Epigraphy Award for 2024? A. Deepak Shenoy. B. Neeli Bendpudi. C. V. Vechalam. D. Shanti Lakra. Answer C. V. Vechalam. 39. Who is the first woman to be appointed as the Director General of Medical Services, Army? A. Anshika Singh. B. Sadhana Saxena Nair. C. Vasudha Gupta. D. Ipsita Das Gupta. Answer B. Sadhana Saxena Nair. 40. Who has created history by becoming India's youngest Olympic referee in boxing at Paris Olympics 2024? A. Pranjal Banerjee. B. Rahul Dasa. C. Venkatesh Ramachandran. D. Kabilan Sai Ashok. Answer D. Kabilan Sai Ashok. 41. Recently, Claudia Sheinbaum became the first female president of which country? A. Mexico. B. Italy. C. UK. D. Spain. Answer A. Mexico. 42. Naina James is associated with which of the following sports? A. Tennis. B. Shot put. C. Long jump. D. Wushu. Answer C. Long jump. 43. Which company recently became the 7th Indian company to have a market capitalization of more than 8 lakh rupees crore? A. SBI. B. TCS. C. HDFC Bank. D. ICICI Bank. Answer A. SBI. 44. Which bank has signed an MoU with India Infrastructure Finance Company Ltd. IIFCL to collaborate in financing of infrastructure projects in June 2024? A. State Bank of India. B. Punjab National Bank. C. UCO Bank. D. Indian Bank. Answer B. Punjab National Bank. 45. Which of the following organization has launched Sarthi 2.0 mobile app recently? A. NABARD. B. RBI. C. IRDE. D. SEBI. Answer D. SEBI. 46. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently released 3 books based on the life and journey of which person through video conferencing on his 75th birthday? A. Ramnath Kovind. B. Lalkrishna Advani. C. Meera Kumari. D. M. Venkaiah Naidu. Answer D. M. Venkaiah Naidu. 47. Which of the following countries has recently introduced new 3D holographic banknotes? A. Australia. B. Russia. C. Japan. D. USA. Answer C. Japan. 48. Adani One and which bank has launched 2 variants of co-brand credit cards, i.e. Adani One Signature Credit Card and Adani One Platinum Credit Card in collaboration with Card Network Visa? A. South Indian Bank. B. Axis Bank. C. Yes Bank. D. ICICI Bank. Answer D. ICICI Bank. 49. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has increased the limit for the Basic Service Demat account, BSDA, to hours from 2 lakhs rupees to encourage small investors to participate in the securities market. A. 5 lakh. B. 7 lakh. C. 10 lakh. D. 12 lakh. Answer C. 10 lakh. 50. Which bank has launched a facility for online collection of direct taxes, enabling its customers and others to pay taxes seamlessly across India? A. ICICI Bank. B. Axis Bank. C. IndusInd Bank. D. Bandhan Bank. Answer D. Bandhan Bank. 51. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on which day? A. 1st June. B. 2nd June. C. 3rd June. D. 5th June. Answer D. 5th June. 52. Which company has launched the world's first EV battery passport ahead of EU rules? A. Mercedes-Benz. B. Toyota. C. Audi. D. Volvo Cars. Answer D. Volvo Cars. 53. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Army Staff? A. R. Hari Kumar. B. Manjinder Singh. C. Upendra Dwivedi. D. N. S. Raja Subramani. Answer D. N. S. Raja Subramani. 54. Who has launched a portal, Noble Initiative for rewarding mains aspirants of National Civil Services Examination, Nirman, in New Delhi in July 2024? A. Anurag Thakur. B. Piyush Goyal. C. Jitendra Singh. D. G. Kishan Reddy. Answer D. G. Kishan Reddy. 55. Recently, which state government has raised the upper age limit to 65 years for the Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme, under which women will get 1,500 rupees per month? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Maharashtra. 56. In June 2024, Defense Accounts Department, DAD, has signed MOUs with 4 banks to onboard as Sparsh, System for Pension Administration, Raksha, service centers across the country. Which of the following banks is not included in Sparsh Seva Kendra? A. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. B. Canara Bank. C. Central Bank of India. D. State Bank of India. Answer D. State Bank of India. 57. India and which country have signed 9 agreements to deepen comprehensive strategic partnership and enhance cooperation in the fields of customs, agriculture, legal, radio and television broadcast, culture and tourism? A. Vietnam. B. Laos. C. Sri Lanka. D. Nepal. Answer A. Vietnam. 58. Which bank has become the first private sector bank to merge both Unified Payments Interface (UPI) and National Common Mobility Card (NCMC) features in RuPay credit cards? A. HDFC Bank. B. RBL Bank. C. ICICI Bank. D. Axis Bank. Answer B. RBL Bank. 59. Which country will host Asian Youth Para Games 2025? A. India. B. Uzbekistan. C. Kazakhstan. D. China. Answer B. Uzbekistan. 60. Who has launched the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign to commemorate the World Environment Day? A. Narendra Modi. B. Amit Shah. C. Rajnath Singh. D. Draupadi Murmu. Answer A. Narendra Modi. 61. Oleg Kononenko became the first person to spend a cumulative 1,000 days in space. He is from which country? A. Australia. B. Russia. C. Japan. D. USA. Answer B. Russia. 62. Dick Schoof elected as new Prime Minister of which country? A. Netherlands. B. Mauritius. C. Brazil. D. Finland. Answer A. Netherlands. 63. Who has been appointed as the Additional National Security Advisor, NSA? A. Vikram Misri. B. Nitin Gupta. C. Rajendra Khanna. D. T.V. Ravichandran. Answer C. Rajendra Khanna. 64. Sarbajot Singh is associated with which of the following sport? A. Tennis. B. Shooting. C. Badminton. D. Wushu. Answer B. Shooting. 65. In June 2024, which of the following has been awarded UN's WSIS 2024 Champion Award for the project Mobile-Enabled Disaster Resilience through Cell Broadcast Emergency Alerting? A. NABARD. B. RBI. C. Center for Development of Telematics. D. National Institute of Communication Finance. Answer D. National Institute of Communication Finance. 66. Which state's police has secured the first position in the country in blocking mobile numbers involved in cybercrime? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Haryana. Answer D. Haryana. 67. Which of the following countries have launched the Biopharmaceuticals Alliance recently? A. India, North Korea, Japan, the US, and the European Union. B. India, Russia, Japan, the US, and the European Union. C. India, South Korea, Japan, Australia, and the European Union. D. India, South Korea, Japan, the US, and the European Union. Answer D. India, South Korea, Japan, the US, and the European Union. 68. Which of the following country was not elected as non-permanent member of the UN Security Council for a 2-year term beginning 2025? A. Panama. B. Pakistan. C. Somalia. D. India. Answer D. India. 69. Which of the following country will launch Golden Visa Scheme, Solidarity Visa, to help migrants? A. Spain. B. Russia. C. USA. D. Portugal. Answer D. Portugal. 70. The Reserve Bank of India has proposed a facility to allow customers to automatically replenish their UPI Lite wallets to promote small-value digital payments in June 2024. Currently, the UPI Lite has a daily limit of, while the upper limit for a single payment is 500 rupees. A. 2000 rupees, B. 1000 rupees, C. 1500 rupees, D. 5000 rupee. Answer A. 2000 rupees. 71. Sift Kaur Samra is associated with which of the following sport? A. Tennis, B. Shot put, C. Shooting, D. Wushu. Answer C. Shooting. 72. India Ratings and Research, INRA, upped India's GDP growth forecast for the current fiscal to what percent from 7.1% projected earlier on an expectation of improved consumption demand? A. 7.2%, B. 7.3%, C. 7.4%, D. 7.5%. Answer D. 7.5%. 73. Laksha Sen defeating. Quarterfinals of the 2024 Paris Olympics. A. An Se-young, B. Leong Jun Hao, C. Kim Da-bin, D. Chou Tianchen. Answer D. Chou Tianchen. 74. Who has launched the e-Saksha, Nyaya Setu, Nyaya Shruti and e-Saman apps for the 3 new criminal laws in Chandigarh? A. J.P. Nadda, B. Amit Shah, C. Rajnath Singh, D. Ashwini Vishnu. Answer B. Amit Shah. 75. In August 2024, the Textile Ministry is organizing a fortnight-long exhibition called to celebrate the 10th National Handloom Day, which commenced at Handloom Haath in Janpat. A. Cotton dyes, B. Haath, C. Kasturi, D. Virasat. Answer D. Virasat. 76. The Government of India and have signed an agreement for the construction of the Green National Highway Corridors Project, GNHCP, in an aggregate length of 781 kilometers for the states of Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. A. ADB, B. World Bank, C. IMF, D. AIIB. Answer B. World Bank. 77. Who has won the gold medal in the men's singles tennis title at the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Novak Djokovic, B. Rafael Nadal, C. Roger Federer, D. Alexander Zverev. Answer A. Novak Djokovic. 78. Who is the author of the book titled Breaking Rocks and Barriers? A. Amartya Sen, B. Arvind Subramanian, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Sudipta Sengupta. Answer D. Sudipta Sengupta. 79. Which Indian company has been included in the 2024 Fortune Global 500 list for the first time? A. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, B. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, C. Axis Bank, D. HDFC Bank. Answer D. HDFC Bank. 80. According to the Deloitte report released in August 2024, what is the likely growth rate of the Indian economy in FY25? A. 7 to 7.2%, B. 6.6 to 6.8%, C. 7.2 to 7.4%, D. 6.7 to 6.9%. Answer A. 7 to 7.2%. 81. Kumud Saini, who was seen in the news in June 2024 for achieving a remarkable achievement, is associated with which of the following sports? A. Tennis, B. Shot put, C. Shooting, D. Archery. Answer D. Archery. 82. Who has won the women's singles title of French Open 2024? A. Karolina Muchova, B. Elena Rybakina, C. Aryana Sabalenka, D. Iga Swiatek. Answer D. Iga Swiatek. 83. Which IIT has launched UDAN, UAV or UAS or Drone Acceleration and Networking program to boost drone startups? A. IIT Guwahati. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Madras. D. IIT Kanpur. Answer D. IIT Kanpur. 84. In June 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released the 17th installment of the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi (PM Kisan Nidhi) scheme. The PM was also approved a proposal for constructing more houses under the PMA. A. 2 crore. B. 3 crore. C. 4 crore. D. 5 crore. Answer B. 3 crore. 85. Hemant Soren was sworn in as Jharkhand Chief Minister for the third term. What is the name of Hemant Soren's political party? A. Jai Bharat Samantha Party. B. Jharkhand Disam Party. C. Jharkhand People's Party. D. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Answer D. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. 86. Recently, Arnab Kumar Chaudhary and Charultha S. Kar have been appointed as executive directors of which of the following organizations? A. NABARD. B. SCBI. C. SIDBI. D. RBI. Answer D. RBI. 87. Who has been appointed as the 58th Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? A. Jeremy Corbyn. B. Keir Starmer. C. Nigel Farage. D. Liz Truss. Answer B. Keir Starmer. 88. Yang Liu has been awarded the Padma Bhushan Award recently. He is the chairman of which company? A. Oppo. B. IBM. C. Toyota Motor. D. Foxconn. Answer D. Foxconn. 89. Which company launched the world's first CNG-powered motorcycle in July 2024? A. Hero. B. Honda. C. Bajaj Auto. D. Mahindra. Answer C. Bajaj Auto. 90. Who has been elected as the new president of Iran in July 2024? A. Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf. B. Ali Reza Zghani. C. Mohammad Javad Zarif. D. Masoud Pezeshkian. Answer D. Masoud Pezeshkian. 91. Which state mica mines have been recently declared child labor-free by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Jharkhand. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer C. Jharkhand. 92. Which state government has launched the Lokpat mobile app to expedite road issue resolution? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. 93. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa summit was held in which country? A. South Africa. B. Russia. C. Brazil. D. India. Answer B. Russia. 94. Who has become the Indian Navy's first woman helicopter pilot? A. Bhavna Kant. B. Mona Singh Jeetarwal. C. Shivangi Singh. D. Anamika B. Rajiv. Answer D. Anamika B. Rajiv. 95. The World Bank revised India's financial year 25 growth forecast upward to how much percent from 6.4%? A. 6.8%. B. 6.5%. C. 6.7%. D. 6.6%. Answer D. 6.6%. 96. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Army Staff? A. Upendra Dwivedi. B. Sujoy Lal Thausen. C. Vineet Makkati. D. Umesh Mishra. Answer A. Upendra Dwivedi. 97. Which fintech firm has partnered with ride-hailing platform PickMe to enable UPI-based payments for Indian travelers in Sri Lanka? A. PhonePe. B. Google Pay. C. Paytm. D. Bheem. Answer A. PhonePe. 98. Who has been selected for the prestigious 2024 Oscar Academy Gold Rising Program? A. Deepak Shenoy. B. Neeli Bendpudi. C. Raghu Ram Pillarisetti. D. Netra Gururaj. Answer D. Netra Gururaj. 99. Avinash Sehgal became the first Indian man to qualify for the steeplechase final after finishing 5th in his heat. A. 1000. B. 2000. C. 3000. D. 4000. Answer C. 3000. 100. Vinesh Fogart was disqualified from the women's wrestling final in the Paris Olympics. She was found ineligible to compete as she was found 100 gram overweight during the weigh in the final. A. 48 kilograms. B. 50 kilograms. C. 52 kilograms. D. 55 kilograms. Answer B. 50 kilograms. 101. Who took the oath as the 25th Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry? A. C. P. Radhakrishnan. B. Gulab Chand Kataria. C. Haribhau Kishanrao Bagde. D. K. Kalashnathan. Answer D. K. Kalashnathan. 102. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the International Cricket Council, ICC? A. Sourav Ganguly. B. Roger Binney. C. Anil Kumbale. D. Jai Shah. Answer D. Jai Shah. 103. Central government has declared Adichunchandgiri in and Chulannur in as Peacock Sanctuary. A. Karnataka, Kerala. B. Kerala, Karnataka. C. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. D. Karnataka, Maharashtra. Answer A. Karnataka, Kerala. 104. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has increased the upper limit for tax payments through the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, from 1 lakh rupees to per transaction. A. 2 lakh rupees. B. 3 lakh rupees. C. 5 lakh rupees. D. 7 lakh rupees. Answer C. 5 lakh rupees. 105. Aman Sehrawat became the youngest Indian to win an Olympic medal after he won a bronze medal in the men's freestyle wrestling event at the Paris Olympics. A. 50 kilograms. B. 53 kilograms. C. 57 kilograms. D. 60 kilograms. Answer C. 57 kilograms. 106. The Odisha government introduced India's first rice ATM to revolutionize the public distribution system, PDS, for ration card holders. What is the name of this rice ATM? A. Mera Ration Grain ATM. B. Anna Grain ATM. C. Anaris Grain ATM. D. Anpurti Grain ATM. Answer D. Anpurti Grain ATM. 107. In August 2024, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved projects of the Ministry of Railways with a total estimated cost of around 24,657 crore rupees. A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer D. 8. 108. India's defense exports soared by how much percent in the first quarter of 2024 to 25 as compared to the same period last fiscal year? A. 50%. B. 60%. C. 75%. D. 78%. Answer D. 78%. 109. How much government assistance will be provided to the eligible beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana BIN, PMAU 2.0 scheme? A. 2 lakh. B. 2.5 lakh. C. 3.5 lakh. D. 4 lakh. Answer B. 2.5 lakh. 110. State-owned Bharat Heavy Electricals Ltd, BHEL, has secured a project from Damodar Valley Corporation, DVC. The coal-based unit will be set up in the Koderma district of Jharkhand on an EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction basis. A. 500 megawatts. B. 600 megawatts. C. 1000 megawatts. D. 1600 megawatts. Answer D. 1600 megawatts. 111. Manu Bhakar partnered with which shooter to win a bronze medal in the 10-meter air pistol mixed team shooting at the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Arjun Singh Cheema. B. Rhythm Sangwan. C. Ramita Jindal. D. Sarbajot Singh. Answer D. Sarbajot Singh. 113. Which company in collaboration with Agri Solutions provider Gram Unnati has announced the launch of Project Mango Unnati? A. Coca-Cola India. B. Jindal Enterprises. C. Real India. D. Dabur India. Answer A. Coca-Cola India. 114. Deputy National Security Advisor Vikram Misri will take charge as the from 15th July. National Security Advisor. B. Foreign Secretary. C. Defense Secretary. D. Home Secretary. Answer B. Foreign Secretary. 115. Which company has been chosen by NASA to dismantle the International Space Station? A. Blue Origin. B. Boeing. C. Neuralink. D. SpaceX. Answer D. SpaceX. 116. In a first for the Indian Railways, the Central Railway, CR, has installed a floating solar power plant of 10 MWP capacity in the Iktpuri Lake. Iktpuri Lake is located in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Odisha. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer A. Maharashtra. 117. What is Gaurav, which was recently seen in the news? A. Long-range air gun. B. Ballistic missile. C. Lightweight nuclear bomb. D. Long-range glide bomb. Answer D. Long-range glide bomb. 118. Chhattisgarh government decided to declare a new tiger reserve covering areas of Guru Ghasidas National Park and Tema Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary in the state. This will be the tiger reserve in the state. A. 3rd. B. 4th. C. 5th. D. 6th. Answer B. 4th. 119. President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Justice N. Kotiswar Singh and Justice R. Mahadevan as judges of the Supreme Court. With these two appointments, the sanctioned number of judges in the Supreme Court will increase to A. 32, B. 33, C. 34, D. 31. Answer C. 34. 120. Nallathambi Kalaiselvi has been appointed as Director General for the second time in which of the following organizations? A. Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. B. Indian Council of Medical Research. C. Steel Authority of India Limited. D. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Answer D. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. 122. Which bank has secured a loan of 25.5 billion Japanese yen, around 147 crore rupees, from Japan Bank for International Cooperation, JBIC, for a wind energy project? A. Muthoot Finance. B. Power Finance Corporation. C. Shriram Transport Finance Corporation Limited. D. LIC Housing Finance. Answer B. Power Finance Corporation. 123. What is the theme of the 78th Independence Day? A. Nation at 2047. B. One Nation. C. Nation First, Always First. D. Viksit Bharat. Answer D. Viksit Bharat. 124. Which state has become the first state to adopt Unified Pension Scheme, UPS? A. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Goa. Answer A. Maharashtra. 125. Which city is hosting the world's premier defense and security expo Eurosatory 2024? A. New Delhi, India. B. Berlin, Germany. C. Paris, France. D. Sofia, Bulgaria. Answer C. Paris, France. 126. According to the IMF report released in July 2024, what is the likely growth rate of the Indian economy in 2025 to 26? A. 6.5%, B. 7.2%, C. 7.0%, D. 6.8%. Answer A. 6.5%. 127. Dr. Jitendra Singh has inaugurated Asia's first health research-related preclinical network facility. In which city has it been inaugurated? A. Ghaziabad. B. Bangalore. C. New Delhi. D. Faridabad. Answer D. Faridabad. 128. In July 2024, The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has approved a $240.5 million loan to finance in India. A. To strengthen pandemic preparedness and response. B. To improve livability, mobility in India. C. For rooftop solar system in India. D. For delimited RRTS. Answer C. For rooftop solar system in India. 129. Who has been appointed as the co-chair of Global CEO Climate Leaders Alliance? A. Gaurav Banerjee. B. Jetha Ahir. C. Pradeep Singh Kharola. D. Sumant Sinha. Answer D. Sumant Sinha. 130. In August 2024, which of the following has received regulatory approval from the Reserve Bank of India for the acquisition of a majority stake in NBFC Kushal Finnovation Capital? A. Kisan Mojo. B. Instamojo. C. Roger Pay. D. Jai Kisan. Answer D. Jai Kisan. 131. The National Stock Exchange, NSE, has increased the ceiling amount payable out of Investor Protection Fund, IPF, trust from 25 lakh rupees to A. 30 lakh, B. 35 lakh, C. 40 lakh, D. 50 lakh. Answer B. 35 lakh. 132. Who is the author of book titled Power Within, The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? A. S. Subramanian. B. Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. C. Amitav Ghosh. D. Dr.S. Jaishankar. Answer B. Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. 133. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has inaugurated India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in which country in July 2024? A. Kazakhstan. B. Oman. C. Maldives. D. Mauritius. Answer D. Mauritius. 134. Which bank in collaboration with the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, has launched the RuPay Wave credit card to offer customers UPI-powered transactions on RuPay network? A. Federal Bank. B. Axis Bank. C. IndusInd Bank. D. HDFC Bank. Answer A. Federal Bank. Friends, यही है Important Current Affairs MCQ of June to August 2024. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करें एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकॉन्स फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.